What's going on, guys? Making a video today for all my VA WRX owners. That would be 2015 to the 2021. I hope you guys find this interesting. Any comments, please drop them down below and let's get into it. First off, we'll start with the front end. Going from the bottom up, we have the J&A VR style front lip. Coming up from that is the OLM facelift JDM turn signal bezels. I have these set to sequential. Over in the middle of the car in the front, we have the Cobb license plate delete bracket, as well as the GCS front and rear gloss black emblems. Going into the headlight, I actually painted the entire stock housing black, as you can see. Sorry for the shadow here, the sun's setting right behind me. Inside the headlights, we have the OLM First Strike DRL bulbs, the OLM Vision white sea light LED bulbs on the side, and then the low beam is the OLM HID 8000K kit. And then within under the steering wheel, to make this all compatible, is a OLM LED hyperblink module. Also, when resealing these headlights, I made sure to use the Diodynamics headlight sealant and have no issues with these headlights over 3 years. Here we have the low beam HIDs on, the sea light bulb on, as well as the sequential JDM bezels. And then here we have the high beam light. Coming on the side, we have another J&A piece, the J&A C-style side skirts on both sides. I also have the GSC black WRX fender emblems. On top is the OEM Subaru roof rack, as well as a Swagman roof mountain bike rack. I have the rain guards from Subi Mods. Making our way to the rear, I have the Noble V1 roof spoiler, paint matched in crystal white pearl. It's held up great for 3 years. I have the WRX STI wing, also paint matched crystal white pearl. I have the OLM trunk hole spoiler delete. Here again, we can see the GSC black and white Subaru emblems. Also have the black WRX badge. We have the JDM Subaru rear spats, paint matched in crystal white pearl. A Subi Speed F1 LED rear brake light. This is the bar style fog light. We also have the Diodynamics tail as turn module, as well as a upgraded reverse and blinker bulb. These are the 7443 HP11 LED white bulbs on the inside, and on the outermost light, it's the 921 HP36 LED white reverse light. So for the wheels, we have Wedge Sport TC 105Xs. They are 18 by 10 plus 35 all around on Continental Extreme Contact Sports 265 35 18. In the fronts, we actually have Perrin 3mm spacers, and inside the wheels, we have a Project Kicks hub ring. That's the gold piece you see in the middle, and then the Motegi SR48 open-ended lug nuts to complete the look. The brakes here are the 2017 STI brake swap kit off of Rock Auto. Essentially, it's the 2017 STI rotors and calipers. I have EBC yellow stuff pads, as well as Mach V stainless steel lines and STI hardware. The fluid I'm running is the Motul .4 RBF 600. In terms of suspension, we're running the Fortune Auto 500 series coilovers, the Gen 8s. We have SPC rear lower control arms. And up in the front, we have the White Line roll center and bump steer correction kit, as well as the White Line front and rear 22mm adjustable sway bars. In terms of the interior, not much going on here. Starting at the steering wheel, we have the 3D carbon steering wheel emblem overlay, both on the horn and the actual lower part of the wheel. Of course, we have the access port, as well as the dialed mounts V2 access port mount vent. I also have the 2018 STI Limited Recaro seats, the full interior, front and back. I also have the Subaru Recaro seat nameplate aluminum sticker. I don't know if this will focus. Cobb Derlick shift knob. This is white, obviously, and inside the shifter area, we have the Perrin shifter stop. In terms of power mods, I'll first start with the IAG Street Series AOS V3. We have the Grimspeed top mount intercooler with the air splitters, as well as the Grimspeed charge pipe. We also have the Grimspeed pitch stop mount, the Street Series. I can't get that on camera, but it's back there. Grimspeed intake with the box. Also running the Grimspeed electronic boost control solenoid, as well as the Cobb low pressure bypass valve. We have PRL TGV deletes and GNP EGR deletes. The Grimspeed aluminum turbo inlet. Grimspeed catted J-pipe, the V1. Of course, the Cobb access port, which I already mentioned. Big mod to mention is the Fumoto oil pan drain valve. Can't get that on camera for obvious reasons, but it's in there. And then the catback, we are running the AWE track catback. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have fun building your VA WRX, whether it's a similar fashion as this or vastly different. That's the beauty of owning these cars, is there's such a wide variety of aftermarket support for these cars. So any questions on the mods that I've mentioned in this video, drop them down below. Otherwise, hope you have a good day and good luck with your build.